We're down here at breakfast, started day 2. It's really cool to see all the different teams from different countries ready for the WTGP. It's really starting to hit home what this event's all about. Today I'll be going to the factory, we do a factory tour, and we go and check the tools, make sure we're happy with everything for tomorrow. We also get to see the communication plaza today. I'm really looking forward to that. They've got everything right from their YA1 right through to the brand new bikes. So where I'm going today, I'm not allowed to take any cameras. So we're going to hand over to Lizzie. She's going to do a tour of the Yamaha Music Factory. I'll be back later to give you a tour of the communication plaza.
Oh gosh, I've got to use chopsticks. G'day, we've just finished our tour of the Innovation Road at Yamaha, which has been absolutely fantastic. We'll show you around and I'll give you a little bit of background about Lincoln. Lincoln, he's a very quietly spoken man with very few words, but he's a very intelligent gentleman, especially when it comes to motorbikes. There's not much he can't tell you. After Lincoln won the Oceania Tech GP, he was very excited, very proud. It was kind of a dream come true for him because that's what he'd wanted, and he'd worked for it for so long and come close so many times. Leading up to this event, he's mainly just been excited for the privilege and honour to come to Japan, which he's always wanted, and see the Yamaha factory and see the Yamaha Technical Academy. He's just happy to be given opportunity and experience, and regardless of the outcome, he's just happy he's here.
Another big day today. We went to the factory so we could get a rundown on our competition tomorrow, check the tools, check we were happy with the bike, check our computer connected to the bike, and we got a rundown on all our competition stuff tomorrow, how it's all going to work. After we did that, we then went and did a tour of the factory. That was amazing to see. Can't really talk about what's there. It's a bit hush-hush, but it's really, really cool to see. One thing I can talk about is the communication plaza. It was fantastic. It was my first time at the communication plaza, and it was amazing to see. There was like all sorts of bikes there, right through from early MotoGP stuff, right through from before it was MotoGP in the 50s, and then late model things, concept bikes. It was incredible. Loved looking at the all the old 2-stroke dirt bikes and even the 4-stroke, the YZM 400, the bike that revolutionised 4-stroke racing. If I was asked to pick a favourite, I wouldn't be able to name one. There was just way too many cool bikes there. So here we are, big day tomorrow. Getting a bit nervous now. It's starting to get very, very real. We're going to early start tomorrow. We'll head back out to the Yamaha factory and I'll let you know how we go tomorrow. A big thanks to everyone at home for the support.